At the Pediatric Resource Center, hope begins with heroes. Heroes willing to help any child who walks through our doors and stand resolutely by their side. Together, they create brighter futures, one heroic act of healing at a time.
I investigate any crime that involves a child who has been a victim of either child sexual abuse, criminal sexual abuse, assault, physical abuse.
I get assigned reports that allege that children are being abused or neglected, and then I have to go out and meet with the families and other community partners, school teachers, family, or close friends to try to figure out if the abuse or neglect is happening and what services the family might need going forward.
Law enforcement investigates a crime. They then send the police reports to our office and we review it to determine whether charges need to be filed. And then we are the entity that prosecutes that case throughout the rest of the court hearing.
At the Children's Advocacy Center, we work with children who have allegations of sexual abuse.
I believe child abuse has always been there. It was just something that we didn't talk about. It was oftentimes maybe things that happen behind closed doors stay behind closed doors.
So what we're seeing a lot of is, families that don't have access to the mental health and substance abuse services or domestic violence services that they need. We're seeing an increase in maltreatment related to the parents not able to address their issues, which is resulting in, children continuing to have maltreatment issues.
The great part about the Pediatric Resource Center and the partnership that we have with them, we're not able to prosecute our cases in the courtroom without first getting evidence from the examination room.
I had the opportunity to take a tour, and I was just so impressed, first of all, of the professionalism, and then also the whole process and the way a child is brought in.
So they're a team of medical professionals that have specific training in working with children and in child abuse pediatrics, but their entire facility is designed to put kids at the forefront.
They also make it very family friendly for the child to make sure that the child feels safe and that their needs are met, and making sure that their questions are answered.
They're trained to understand how to not just treat the children, but also the family.
What happens at the Pediatric Resource Center, or what it is to those children, I think is just that. It's a way to start to heal.
We're all working together as a team to break that cycle and to make an impact.
At the Pediatric Resource Center, every child deserves a hero. And with the Bids for Kids auction, you can be that hero. Every bid you make brings us one step closer to ensuring that every child receives the healing and support they deserve. Be the hero they need, because hope begins with you.